guys, we have new Angry Birds Gummies. See? Here's the front of the box. Here's the back of the box. Okay? So in the front of the box, it shows R2-D2 and C-3PO. And there's also red gummy, pink, green, blue, yellow, and black. In the back of the box, it shows Darth Vader and C-3PO and R2-D2, Chewbacca Bird, Han Solo, Luke, and Princess Leia. So we're gonna open this. Okay. So we have a pack that shows all of the birds. See? An egg and pig. Okay. So after this, we're gonna do this. So we also have little swimmers. I got this, me and Matthew, we got this at a Japan place in San Fran. And in the box it said little swimmers, so we got some. It's for a bath. So yeah. So let's open this one. Okay. So you see it's a wind-up toy. And then each one, it makes it like wag, like its tail or its feet. See? Okay. And yeah. Huh? Now that was weird. So here's the penguin. As it just showed, it wags its feet. It's a wind-up. It's also a wind-up. See? I think it walks. No, I don't think it walks like this. Okay. So that's all. Check out my video, my piano video. Yeah. It's on YouTube. It's Love Me Tender by Elvis Presley. So, I hope you like this video. And please watch our other videos too, which was when we were younger. See you later. Please subscribe. See ya. See ya, Matthew. Yeah,